Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GeekyCodes. In today's video, we are tackling a very fun and intuitive problem called Find the highest altitude during a biker's road trip. Stick around till the end to not only solve this problem but also understand how to break down such problems during your coding interview. Imagine a biker going on a road trip that includes n plus 1 points and he starts with point 0 with altitude 0 and you are given an array called gain where each element represents the net gain or loss in altitude from one point to the next. And our task here is to calculate the highest altitude the biker ever reaches during the trip. So let's understand this with an example. Here our gain array is minus 5, 1, 5, 0, comma, minus 7 and output should be 1. So let's understand how to build the altitude step by step. So he starts from 0 and the next first point he reaches is 0 plus minus 5, that is minus 5. That means he went deeper than the current level, and then again he moves 1 point above his current state. That means minus 5 plus 1, that is minus 4, and then again he moves 5 steps above. That means minus 4 plus 5, that is total 1, and then again he moves 0 points, and then again he moves minus 7, that is 1 plus minus 7, that is minus 6. So the highest altitude reached here is 1. So that is why the output is 1. And again for the example 2, here we have been given an array called gain and it includes some points minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 4, 3, 2. And if we see here that 0 plus minus 4, that is his position after first point, that is minus 4, and then again he moves to minus 3, then that is minus 4 minus 3, that is minus 7, and then again he moves minus 2 points, that is minus 9, and then again he moves minus 1 point, that is minus 10. Then again we add 4, that becomes total minus 6, and then again he moves 3 points above, that becomes minus 3, and then again he moves 2 points, then it becomes minus 1. So the current state is below than his the starting state, that is 0. So the altitude, highest altitude here is 0. I hope you understood the problem. Now to solve this we can use first value max altitude, and we can set it at 0 because he is starting from 0, and current underscore altitude, that will be his a position after every step. And for change in gain, that means we are iterating through every point in gain array, and we will update current altitude with plus equal to change. That means we are adding the change point after every point, and max altitude will be max of max underscore altitude and current altitude. And then we will after the loop ends we will return the max altitude. And now let's break down the code. We initialize both max altitude and current altitude as 0, as you can see here, and then we are iterating through each gain and updating the current altitude, and at each step we track the maximum altitude seen so far. So now let me try to run it and check if these two test cases are being passed or not. As we can see here that our code passes all these two test cases, and now we will try to submit it and check if it works for all the test cases in our problem or not. As we can see that our code beats 100% of users in runtime. So this is a classic example of a cumulative sum problem. It is often asked in entry level rounds in interviews. So always track running totals, keep an eye on the maximum minimum values, and test edge cases like negative or all positive cases. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to GeekyCodes for more coding challenges. Comment below if you would like some particular problem to be solved in next video. And thanks for watching, and as always keep coding and keep growing, and see you in next video.